Asantuma TV, the nation's pride.
When some akwaba and days when from Umra a year Asantuma de Media so I trego Asantuma TV so na Sabri dam from him Ubinya after media Oshaya Oshaya Facebook and I say YouTube so and it media trego also should be a day ebesumo a few moon. I trust seeing Kuna Sebria na a day my gun and sem after year efficient abin so I can see one semiano ye can't if you now you used to am a quiet amount and full moon day I was saying we so anya konya actually mo enso adwene nti Sabria nhyase kora no Asantuma Media hyase dem awa na ye de kowa krata na aposo ensem a kowa krata no bombo de baye no ana ye de bi ebetu anim no nti yemfa the custodian nhyase custodian ni mo no mo de na dan kwakofo do ochema PCA Ghana mampani wona to anim kama ana wato say 1 billion Ghana cedi COVID-19 cash for SMEs nara dan kwakofo do ana ka say enra omode epadwedi mo ntoma wo ye kasafidie so kese ye nyuma nkumankuma a wo my God mo a COVID-19 ba na say ya agegu no ono aka say no Dr. Panie no de Ghana skabotin 1 billion Ghana cedi e de abomode awuram se be ya nyuma nkai wo my God so e betimi agya na so ebiemu e hon mo anso ohwa the custodian ni mo na wo say 1,754 COVID-19 recoveries are real. There were Air Pius and the Deputy Minister for Information. And what you say, I Ghana for say, none wonder, yet that's sorry, yet ten a precope, COVID-19, and this year, what you are told more a tremor, a pimp near Chile and a crown. Baby, now I say, with the announces, Tintan, I say, and as a seminar, a Pumdiansu and Eto Chile, and no, and a year, and Pius had the judge say, and a crapa. Ghana for more and to me among pies say trade yampunya me say onko so many parado na so ehon tomo emfri COVID-19 no so emo afei the custodians had the SADaba na utwani mo a speaker of parliament Aaron Makokwe edenim ha na da kama what say MPs to go for COVID-19 test sabedi emresibe dwafo a omo emresibe dwafie no ye no ohye ede amomo say omo so mo kwan na ye hwehwe omu we say COVID-19 no ebi omu ana bi so mo kwatena emresibe dwafie a sedum city bom ene said ye mudumedie ne kono ko ba ko enya bi no de kwatena se a ahwe betima se ahofo nti no emresibe dwafo nso ye be ha se ne ahwe omu awe say COVID-19 obi ana se wedie obi eni bi nti we be ka se obi ni yem bim nti ba se wa obi ana se wodun sa buti wo twa eja wadwo ye hwe the finder enso nsema ono nso ede ebaye the finder will say some corner 1 billion Ghana cedi stimulus launch. It will help cushion business and livelihood. President Akufo-Addo. It is some the custodian they buy and some corner and the finder and so eka what Han say. After was say government clears all debt owed ECG as at the end of 2019. Okay. And the opinion on nyam kanya on so and so say Ghana mampani ebo money share so obetua e kawo nyina na ode enyam kane adwumakuo no che receipt copy of Ghana afi impino dunku no aba money twani nyina nso edi firi ho edi ma omo ti omo so na edi san sebu nso atumi aba abeto edwa ene dey wo the finder enso anim ho me dey the daily guide enso beto so a daily guide nsima oka enyina nso say ochehine ban shrines chese akomfo aso ye ni akomfo sema hodo a ewo chese ochehine mani ni krodwe ni nyaro se fi sabre ko de tunton time ye makwan e ma akomfo e mebo mo sesen o baabi ne nkowi a kire mfasika duro ene chese niema ense ne mfata e ma ikomo nti ochehine amoti for penny sabre next form chese sabre akomfo semne akomfo mu firi miamia baabi abo mo sesen ewo chese ye oche manu de ordinary form no to so sa atom so re I was bit me yum nyina so e di omafri ocheman asase eso osadifo amoti for penny so de ni makama but this answer no so atimi aba abetu dwa ba me hwe ensam corner ana ba kon so say face mask defaulters in trouble one more face mask so wanti bi amfa share ni duma no sabe no akodi ensenseme pa akodi ensenseme abansem a omo so won ta beto kowa krata atom so ono so ede etudwa Okay, the observer and so dear maybe better so I was saying. Observer so and some corner Akufo-Addo unveils 1 billion Ghana cedi car business support scheme. And also Sana the observer so Eka and also speaker orders mandatory test for MPs. And Masibe Johnny and I said Masibe Johnny Kasama for Yera Peter Marco Irokwe. I said Oyano Sheso ama Masibe Johnny phone na obi biara so yabodi ahwe mu se COVID-19 no obi anase unibi no so ehun semo a wode buy no na de bi twatwo na ya do nsemu suko say government will be transparent. Akufo-Addo assures on Ghana 1 billion COVID-19 business support. It where the katasu mu aso the daily statement so edbuy no say aban adwuma na obemode aso masene ewo 1 billion Ghana cedi na we twatwo no ade mbeda fine pepe ye ni atentene betima akom jese katasu mu aso bia nso entimi m40 esa ensem no ensu emunti ha ani behwe na yetwe ho aba na me bedwafo asinkoya bi na kowa krata mu no yadom suko awese ehunwa gube no nsensem no esitie sabe de yetwe ho aba ne ba yadi munchi mu so ebeto aso Adwafo sama kwaba ebiemu evamra santamade rodwumedi no so na sabredi a ede eye kowa krata na aposo ato edwe mini abedwafo ensa ensi ensem no nkonwa na yengibre intuni sre enya basa ensa emfomo intino amenkora ma abedwafo akwaba diri kan amema eye enkokrafo nyina ahene akra kwa kuba for the pania mana akwaba akwaba
ya mini amejo
apombo ko die
you so managing kakra
ene so obo de che Ghana wonsam ni besi nkonwa na yedutu bie abe me call nyame nipa odi for the prophet and afen so ya sorry penny na be call na so you pia nyame nipa me da se
if you share your son e money pada se ni ye watch ni na ye na no maboso abo ni aduane automa
okay ta me da se pa enti no amansan so makofo kwasipoku sabre no oye nyame de ne saka no odi asofo eche kakra de ni so adi hunu ni se obeso penny pa oh my god enti no ono Sofia nyame pa ma akwa baby
ya eja
apombo ko de
obo ade ada ro ma me ho oje pa
ye de rade ase okay and then some ho na sa akwa hwe woni too much and
wono oni sembiaka
o
nyame aduma nyame de dom me no e na opeso ojibi enso no oje me ren mama ni bi
we na transfer akara mo
rade nya kokko kede de Japan
de bia me ye is of bani me man akwa about the prophet man ase wo bonyo so
na onye prophet yes OGC even nipa
that the nipa
nipa no nye prophet
no onye council
no elder won't me yet di can won't me yet no akoye prophet what the name fa na akoye obi ohia oba na ohia na ni bo na ni ma na bi se
ajen eye hu
kope enji o fi wa
empe e pa na ede
epe sa okay ntiri yem koso akra ne nua de se utwam na omne to kwa hye so ha na ensema ne bedi nkomo bebre na ye package ahodo a na dan kwa Akufo-Addo edi egu akwa mu so de be so enuma nkuma mu asene obekọ wakrata ahodo ebe nyina na no bo hu dawu kese pa mefa ye 1 billion Ghana cedi na Akufo-Addo Ghana mampani atwa to se wode so ye enuma SMEs na se nya page omo especially on this COVID-19 pandemic time no ye be se meeting ye jom na so bi na amma kwame nyuma no so etimi asi agan ebim akra nisha asemfi on say da bia mtrase na me kasa wo ya aso akwa metaka na say enti so na Akufo-Addo ne nsem na fe so na mo otu my Ghana mu no eye campaign because your 2020 December is just around the corner Ghana for nyebe koto central koto aba wa promise 88 hospitals so da ba na se we twa afenemu che say konfano cha se bi ebomo de 44 years since an konkosi enche bia and I signed this stimulus package and so about 1 billion Ghana cedi and the on this note na crowd say
okay the best time I for akwaba
okay
and then so e da for na me come asem no so straight no pe wasema obisa a campaign message and I say any campaign message on say metaika ni say si etu aba e de ma o se Ghana man pania wa de awo ye ni say oman ni nyina yen cake no na wo che ama na so obi aso na we ni so eye adwuma ehia se wo ye ene se COVID-19 no aba be se nyuma bebre ene ya me na o ka se wo hwe nipa coffee and I see you energy. Now me kind be for private teachers. You see nipa almost say 6 million or say be private
sectors.
Yes, schools and class teachers. I yapam wom onti obabi sa say e ba ne say ne yapam ni nyina ne say one adwuma ne kofem sika ho ayedin sika ne ba e na odi bitua productivity e low nti e ba agin say ono so betimi etu omoka nti say ne mi woni part 10 na no me adwuma e na mi ni part 10 no da bia e produce niema bia be 20 enei ye produce 10 kra ye to
okay
nti be na say part 10 metimi ahwe wo nti de be ne say bia memma be 5 akotena fie na mama ye den 5 nso atwa so nti eye adwen pa se odi sika be san him eya ye nia no e be san aje anase fasodie e dia ma oman no ni nyina ne se ade echi na se o business no boom a oman no enso ba beje that tax no and seska we no san fanche wo yes say loan ubet a loan abi
soft term loans
just 1 year interest free
okay
interest bia na so if in 2 years kono ubetua interest obesan tua say sika botene no
okay
on in a way no or the amount obesan atua mo ho asan the amount man no I think say yes so why sir but obisa say politics the amemu ne say adwempa oye the aboa ama economy no asan ejina na
ejina so bi amasa so makofo on this very note no aban atwasika wode emma nyuma nkuma say emfa so mo asene no saa eho no so na so penny asopo nya hope say asopo nya betu akodi
salon yeah betu akodi because I was saying to me tre ye dan mu nkonwa no on say COVID-19 ko awie ya program amba east nyina na was say
ba ayi
eti aban na fa be waya de papa okay small enterprises here omo COVID-19 ti said you obi eno na nkoye adihwe fie eno na okoba adi yesi ama se daily goods or aspire so bi ni ho sika na yesi awie mu se ntu ena we so e manage waya de ss Ghana 1.something billion na we twa no ebetimi aboa asho maduma no kina se de menu aba masika no esi ano obi a ote store ayanka na ne ma na bia 15 cedi a day no wababa day no e bia oba ma ne 10 cedi because adwuma ni ho ena sika pro okura e dia kofa nyema aba no kra na esi akọ kromu ni monte so a esi an se kakra wo ho na ye di fidi e hu ya tutum eno bi ni aporo eti o ma panyin so de asa sika na ba na o de ba be boa ebetimi aboa amobia botum aye correct
na wonu se eno ya amanyosem
eno nya amanyosem dia ba no esi a dia ba no na wo hwe so e dia bibidi aboa oman no because can is COVID-19
ba na yentwa
ebo
sika bia nsanso
sika na wo no kra no so wo kwaji aban bosia na kra na eno na chese ensembebre but when buy any dia wo hu se ewiase ne ye na esi a wo se ono aban na wo ye titre ne oda oman na no timi boa ankra do se obia na yire no pe ni sika kakra e no de ye adwuma na obi so watimi afa obi no obi so anu aduane afiri no iti akoba sei na sei e na niam asidi a e wo se otimi hwe no oboa na bisa ho se sika na e ba no etichemuri ye sei
okay
unyuma sei na mi ame no tememe ya sofo ye kwaze me sole ameje collection bia ni ama bibi
okay
ezuna mi wo adwuma a danchan ya aside me sofo die ni meye what you say it is a koba say na wo se omanpanyi emuda of frenchim mo bia hu se sika no unyuma sei enye be ma obi ukura sei ni ehwe capital sei ni sei ya asa na mo sa anya sa dia yenim Ghana haya nse bi ho ade si abai sika ba sei na obi timiti na so sebe obe sign check kura dia mani pa nse
na kwa bwati
na kwa ni be no kura no ai se wodi bibi tu ansa na give and take ansa na dia ma no koba sa na ha dwi etisa abai di sika we aba na de be dada ya setena mu dia eye waya ade na mogu no omane fa ekwan fi ya obia so e de
Elizabeth Kabie na me fa the Ghanaian publisher say we dey buy into midimienu na tudwa na ya che abi no Ghanaian publisher say we yewra or say chairman sabon so so me ma shebe dwani ana fi so dom kese no kasamafo ma shebe fi we say stop leaking reports to the press. Majority leader tells Auditor General stop leaking reports to the press. And about also come say the new album na inya kwan was way less mood. I bet you just say empenifo ND say me ko be so move form say Frank Crawford be no can be. Was say I will handle Baumia for you. I will handle Baumia for you. And the try to cry MPs test for COVID-19 today. Sabi ya ye no hye sem na hye for nyina ne ye test for COVID-19. All my speech if when abuse of human rights and I say ka we keze say enya mandate opa na nka akoye. Say ye general say wo ha say no na nka prekope ye MD madam na uni asubo de atabire nyina say mo be mo ko konfanochi and I say be mo ko tafuji nya ko hwe bia mu a COVID-19 no obi ana. E say dey to ye ma hwe for san nsem nse akra dey na wo for.
Say media me he smith me aka bi no abum na with me time na. Na me can say be say sorry nye medium and say small scale.
Me say me aside me business.
Me say
what's e bia me name right sorry no na mum no me e bia me e poetry kakra
ana me beboa say scan beboa sorry e no de ma me nye
do mara we say enkwa
sorry enye small and say medium scale.
Inti sorry so kwoti o
sorry count so sorry no de kwodi enkan. Okay me fa chairman issue no on say eba auditing na hono je eba nsi ana me interest
so adwuma mu
yeah on say auditor adwuma no say o hwe o man yi mu a o man yi nya atwon eni say enka auditor wo wie adwuma wo de ko parliament na parliament aye ade friends scrutiny o man hwem no mo wie a o mo no so e de ama committee on finance na o mo so ahwehwem omu wi ansa na ko finance minister ansa na ko president wo but ye kroma no because o pese eye political ninti o ye ya no de ma press no omu so de aye de abeto abonti enye boni se e bia press be know what is going on but ade no needs to what pass or the right channel yes no e de no afei efa emerehye bedwafo a ye se ye da mandatory testing no de enye say ye abuse obi right
okay
yes or say Michael Kwe can or say or kotu parliamentary year e baake de omoye no e che say sebi semi mu obi na me be ho be ma say me de me mpene nya na me san ka sem ba betene mu a in one way or the other
we test when e hu kra che HIV video
oh eno de
unim sa
because
so bi o HIV a obi o AIDS ni pedue mu a we will accept the person
more than this
than the COVID-19
yeah.
Because what COVID-19 cry puna say obi cry trend o akra COVID-19 the more COVID-19 obi
am person obi ofi ekura say won see via ofi ura bitu
because e quite test we shouldn't forget say this year no so ye election year ko toba na say bo made akoye na be to say hey the mress we be ni here that will be your downfall
and how
ko jira ibi and on that ground I make contest enti ye be ye we na enkwai say ebie gbontu enchine ibi e ba
amfa hwema because aban anase president e shaase efi ni fie
oye
wone ne
staff ni na
aye ena ufi wo no ma emrehye bedwafo enso wo mbeye omu wi a afei chief justice enso na so ye no ebeye na etoato aso abafem enti wo no untimi nka nche se wonye so far as president yaye ene ne staffers ni nyina ye no de obeye ene se wo ye na obi na yento aba ma wa akokko ba bi atena se bi unwu ya undi obenya ena 4 years no so ye bo ye ni teteni na ase aba ya no kra no se wunya bi na se 4 years ndi aka unu se minister ana se MP okuruma de lalai nya de o de bi se de COVID-19 ne se ye ni de he say na bagin hini edge no se cheme na akra chen ace se say yan hwa wunya ace na obi sunya COVID-19 na ebisa wo de si ace se ne o de ne ye o de o si COVID-19 ayo be kan te o se ni kwa so be ni papara ndi de ade na koye no ntu endie mesere se mrehye bidwafo no enye na komapem na omunye se de mampani ene ni penny for so aye
enyame nipa sabre na mfa se ye be bia so ya tu na sa bible de ene o hye se ye bie asori before se be bia asori atu na sofo nyina anya asori penifo nyina enko test before se ma kwan mo bie wa asori a we accept that one
yeah meko pa meko eno kura ne eno da nchen a me a met me bottom scalp or temperature can be. Sada found a title bet you any millions. Okay. Or found a cancer collection of it who drew another the chair also. Nessa who will be quite a mefra ambulance and me have a farm. Okay. It is the way Mrasebe for the test a year papa because open on my muha, maybe no why I intend to go to quiet in Fiemi, or much I was soon be a Mokwam on a say bed, it is Omokram than a check. They're supposed to start first before saying can buy intimate before because one money 2 point or 2 point go buy a queer persuasion or do the persuasion when you have drama your money on Kobo Punipu. That said a mini Abba Mexican, you contest you no beer. Yet the better one can I say this year. The now consideration and I have for quarantine. If you're not there, was said or Mutimi attest to now, Mammy call or say Messabos in 7 hours. And none of Metra can say. Segana Hanum, ye bibia amana transparent, careful transparent boss who was here for Twaba. You said data way and a district assembly when you pass in the year tomorrow, you chomoka. Chairman was that day and I will cut it on the testing as majority leader. What we are paying Brasebe, watch out. Act now, Swami. Ashe Swami Saba, the same auditor general, there was who cut it say, a new man central. I didn't think there was a yes, sir. Oh, make an ultimacy. Mr. Auditing, me catch or say, auditing. And your bonnet say, auditing us, can you Ghana for some Ghana form? We are Ghana. No, so we are so many this year. Who are rep? And you can't be a man for a near but was so again. So far as our rep on one the Babantino. Young Nasebo ought to be found by what he said the Osika was all the Comrade San Babonti. And then Tinebia or Diabatum Nasebo. Mudasun go to JCC Swada and by now also the horses in our sort of Babonti, my Ghana for who said. Leakages was the Ghana and found Coto and I didn't mimic interview on this report. Who did say what's this? I didn't crown on, and yet on an care you. Okay. A company and a high no say, Omamodi and quiet that, you know, a man. Okay. We I saw the Quakuma company, one fan from a company, and one some fan commercial with your fee. No, Edia bread and some truffle. And from Swanny was some truffle. Ghana, auditors general. Your company or money will come who we are Juma. Yet you series and Brazil for you're behind you are carry program. Coming program. No program you no one family. No what the Comobi and Monisha. Me walk every right question. Auditors. Young Falcon Brazil Jama, one more at Yamas and Trophy said, or would you make your Mudini previous years beyond the Comrade and Sana Babonti? Bisa say, I don't think away the outcome Rasebe drama about wanted direct. Coordinating between them Rasebe and auditors, no, Evia and François Bahu. What you say? You are saying, the auditor general, the era, he doesn't trust the MPs and he doesn't trust the parliamentary anymore. So, the entire audience can at Yaba one. So, or your menu Juma. It could be said. It could be said. The people to see me no. Every Casa Bibaba, I am the Anaya de. Okay. 8 million brow crana. Sebia over the better one tema we are tipping the over to church. There was some men be fast. Now make what for Frosso. Okay. And no, now what I got them said, send you hot man. I was some chain. And yet, Bibiana, the commerce and truffle. Also, when you instant justice, a course will crumble. Because Nippon himself. Okoria, you're saying, ingenious idea in Kuno, but it's wrong. And Nipana, Adiana Oyen, on winning. Adiana on Sumedia Woodin, Emra, when Emra is one amso. Say, Oko now the two be any point said better team, far the right channel. And to the Nipanian, Chairman Sabos was some now can make any problem. Okay. 7 years and training, not Yadi Adiaba. Yes, maybe be a catcher amount for, but any papa no. And yen papa no. I any papa no. Eh, somebody because me no, me metia, me minim. By my chef, I'm a tear for one more chef, one who him ran say. Say now, guess what it is a year and son of the I think that's what I appraise. Yes, and he said, Sadia, German was Brabante, and far and someone was said. auditors no
no
the brother Ghana for
auditors and here say
because me na what game one of brofo bi wo ha won ti ase e was over farm so na dey aka nti auditor their farm so say sika bia leak out chairman say so won ti ase dey fine the same channel na o ma me country na me country me na okay
and some traffic show say what the fans some traffic so now some traffic be kan ho asoma kan kroma no me no mienu tie enim say asempa the very day asem beba no ye be som ye achen na wotwe na kogu but emreshe bebiafo no and what it takes say omoni nipa no de waye bone no ebetumi adi no enti so I can say yes say una na bi otidum una na has got nothing to do with
only the theater
e dey na otia
rep taxpayers money
una na rep oh, me say the few. And one way or the other. On no form, me say the few.
How many times on back down? Need to improve it.
I know there. It is you to call home. Me say the few to other.
Go together.
I know there. I know now what's our 4 years. What's our 4 years? No say. So 4 years ni duro. Na ni pana kwa kotono. Unso ye mfa so die bi dimo wa. 4 years ni dura. Enu ani say matimi up. Na ma say ask right now. Enti ukotena se na ka chem say. Nipa no emma me frɛ na ɔma entia ne me am ensɛmtwerɛfo mfa meto abontia si ya di wei tena ɔman mu a obɛda na watima kyekyere ɔman no am na tumi akɔ
okay now we have about 2 stories to go and our time is about 10 minutes left on our time now yebe ensema yera Alex Mood enso dey 2 months in a day we say I will handle Bawumia for you coming out to be say ka yemfa you to Frank abedi echi Frank Krafo abedi echi na ope obi di one to na. It seems like this one is personal attack on Bawumia. And I will use Bawumia just so say you could be called to that position. I will say, I will handle Bawumia for you. And some are not gonna be to say because NDC for nya will be making a match Bawumia boot for boot in terms of economics in Tina. I'm NDC for holding on with their nomination of inmate Frank Krabbe de Chine Entimi Mbaye. As at now, any and some are era Alex Mood. And I will talk about it and day. Accra 2 minutes on this one.
Say me chikrume. Me pesa me president ya. Na Ghana here. Hey Ghana man penyin na ni be MCC bia.
Okay.
Yes. And as obi a wadi bi pen. Enti se o pesa be vice president ya. Ono an escort you na sisu bia. Ana yes sa abre no so oye bibi ama nipa nso hu se ampa.
Now is it good to come out with this
I know there politics. I know there Obeka say a personal attack, but
that's what I see to be.
Yes, and a personal attack because Mampani that John Dramani Beka asem. Bawumia ebe attack no. Ema ye kan into ono so aba abeka nje ebe ye attention ebe kono so. You say say ono so ho a say ye wonya da nod na obetumi akeka no. Politics there ye game a on how obesi pray na da bia nye be sideline. Into akeka no say no. Both attention be sha sia kono so. Ono nso ye bibi no Kenya no be ba ko wi no a afa na ni ekon man no kra na se de ne ba because they say maka cho say NDC koyi obia wo ye running mate ya uhia nipa obetumi ne Bawumia ejina other than that any nko any na Kenya wujai position no man da over can cry I think say can for so ye dem e ba so ntu starting ye say na tension
now from
media no nyina peke.
From your point of view, do you think Sir Alex Mood qualifies to be a running mate?
Why not? Oh, what it takes. So be to me.
Have what it takes.
Yes. So be to me.
Sir.
Be to me. Okay. If say can say John Dramani Mahama, it will GD on Munkwa dia. Obe to me.
Because you sideline Ekwedanko from being a president. Who Ekwedanko dear. The man there Krampona, you will not agree with Sir Ekwedanko with my president, even in 1,000 years to come.
Ekwedanko is you know. Me say Krom Hanom. And you never have a fan but somebody like Ekwedanko, with all due respect and apology to her, Ekwedanko deserves not to be a president, and she can never be a president, not on a single day. And Ekwedanko, able to me, but even among her family, Korano, yes, select you will be so on your president. I don't think Ekwedanko able to me a president. What's up, I'm saying? No, oh, Nipra body, I mean, fan bravo. Can you chroma? What's your that what you know Argentina won't consult for anything. And you're running
office wa babia.
Wouldn't nipa abo brache kwedo.
Oh, Dabi.
Wouldn't nipa abo
brache. Easy. Obema to me krata said Siamonyo ku Ghana ha no. Chance for this year down no.
Enti say metie. Metie. Say minya scanam chance yes dan. Me CBC Ashanti region. Me ko voter East ni na me CC dan. Na me so region kola tena ano na de bosome mo 1.5. E chese ma bobrenti anu nti ye nkoto ayima me bampani. Asa be na can you compare Apiadonkwa to that of Pakwesi Ndu? Hwe bia Pakwesi Ndu wono kra hwebra wo bere. Otunya be president. Pakwesi Ndu Hassan Yarega and the like.
Nisika wache we ya.
No. Asma
accusation ya kwabafo.
Nisika wache je me nisika wache je mfa nisika. Apiadonkwa sika no odu no akocha mu. Sikano you akocha me see ontumi Apiadonkwa can never be a president.
But you
what are you telling me?
But you watching for Alex Mode as
yes or no there obetumi aye even say president no kra hwe say je osi on say Ghana no ye wade bi say nipa so say oh ni nyanyam ne ho fe nipa so say oh na ni kra yes wo hwe say je osi gina
na Ghana for kra me fa na say dem asante for kra be factor appearance.
Yes,
you crowd dance be background.
I know the background obi won on fanya.
Obi a chekwa me background.
O hwe nipa no oh wanyanyam say the osi gina we no ho fe na nima ne ho ahwan nwi bia wo no.
Because this issue rose up between Akufo-Addo and Alan Cash.
Yeah.
Asante Mantem for cry so. Say ye the Alan Cash e compare Akufo-Addo. Bebre now watching for
Alan Cash
because of his
structure.
Appearance.
Enti bet mode on say o yinpa bi a o nyanyam o gina ho no ma oni Bawumia say aso TikTok akache Bawumia nti I think say oba yes o what it takes so betumi aye
yeah for the last 5 minutes we discuss this topic enche bia ana inya ntia say do ni chimo ye Madagascar for o ma ready to say o ma recover and so ma discover COVID-19 aduro e wo ye Madagascar e ma e beto dwa ne crowd obri na bomode etimi e ko honom say usha nuro no betimi aboam ye tuade no ase afiri eye wiase fa na nyina enche be no mutabiri bi ba Ghana se Ghana for so na ene de ye rekodwo pon kuma de abeto montin se nuro na ye kokra na that's for the edba o ma Ghana no ajatu
almost there
sa nuro no
Madagascar nuro ya
ajatu mo ma
na me bisa Madagascar for womo ti pumfifi na forest se den ni ho
womo nuro no ma this eba you know mo ye
Ghana for ya
ajatu eba ya so hwe no
on say etina make Ghana for asema eya na mini abema ntemase
you can I'll back you on this one
make Ghana for asema eba ye se omampanyi eye traditional herbalist for ense omundro mra womo hu se ya de se ebo wa umum ye esi so usinizi se umu esi no Sasa anyama ni nyina before no for mo carry ko ye no research no e di say
na say e bi kra ko se nyi ni pele mum fa enso mo hwe
obi mekti ya kra say ai priest bi ka say me mado na san ko kume
yeah
Ghana ambo yet ya Madagascar yeni yewuni
agro we agro we ni pani so say me
ye ko change what na kakra bia ye say wudi o na chese grofo bi
yenkumi afem we ne fa na ko chese mu
Ghana Medical Association for ye boss sika to o maka nka me ne wo nka o mo ye kun ye preko say ye lock money down say wo mu asema ya me
okay
na ye ti ha ebibi duro ye wo man mu ha no me Ghana etina meka no ansam no kra ya bro me so me hu ba bia me fanfa Madagascar for ye nu tani mu bra wa wasapere chanche mahogany ni ayi odum na ye wo man Ghana wi ahini ni ayi papa no na wa ha no moja to akofa Madagascar for etina meka no some crop research or science research institute or my Ghana I don't see what they are doing me that fie na me kanu tani nu bra me no ma me ho to me
and on this one what will be your reaction
me reaction is say eno kwa omo this civil herbalist for mo my Ghana na ye mu omo
okay
so Madagascar wo mo ye de so mo ye kokoko kakra ye de bri se bri bra na ye tum nti wo mo ya brofo ya kwaje omu ndura ba
nti aja brofo di atu
what country are we etinu say nyema bi say ewo hono say o man no ye wo say ye hwe na enu bra na enu tan ye de hwefa abafu fidiem ni ye hwe na no o mampani ba KCC aro Asante Mantem ha na minya kwanhwe bi kakra na ye life na wo mo tretre mo ye goduru ba bi a na omapani tempuma ne de ense kyerɛkyerɛ abra wo hu machine wo kwa virus bechi no yehu kwa akɔsesa saa machine be detect adentina yɛmpanifo mo ha ɛyɛ enduro ni nubna mo ahyɛ so mo fanko mo kɔyɛ sɛ twetwe mo boso mo miense ne anan ne COVID-19 ba ye etika bade sa ye mu adon na no Madagascar fo edi boso me kɔyɛ edro de ba
ya akwa on this nation aso yɛmfa so ɔno ansa no bi nhwɛ Madagascar fo dia aja to hwe kwa beso ne fa so ye sa no etu sima ba ko ye bre na so
Madagascar nduro na omo je etum no I think yes so sandrun kra omo se na wo dada yes ena ayade no so nse yesi entu ase eye immune booster
ya
nti omo ede ma obi a no wo yade ni bi ena etumi e boost da immune system
omo sacrifice de ma obi o
yes
okay
ena etumi eye ya as afi omu se ewie na yade boa no afri nipa no ewigim eko on se me see me ni problem se sa QIFS enuro eni enuro bi ahodo bi aka wo man mu no ye agi atum enka benya me de se Ghana ni
benya duro no
yes nanka ebe nke ekra na wiase nyina ye pe sa COVID-19 edura Ghana na ye de ye ba beto afri but entumi amane sa eno no so nkyere se bi oman Ghana no enye man eye da so aye oman
okay
ye wo what it takes betumi aye de efese but de ni nyanduro nde na yesi ena
enti ye for de anyi ntum
pe se me na me nwa yi kan se me eye no krese ya gisa duro ya tumi a nka me highly disappointed ewo that food and drugs board any omo makeka aka no nyina ho omo tana etumi di aduro we atum na Ghana mampanyin so no kwasem se nka ne ho be mo
say etumi
yes because Madagascar a African country no watimi ya aduro mo ma je atuma de enti ne ye ntumi nya aduro em ye de anyi ntum
ene so be bo mo de disappoint because ya jatu ne da
because minim se omo se framboyanti ye aduro a omo attest bi ehunu se ye adenti na wo de ende omo ho dawuru e ma ye ntumi ntum na Madagascar de wo kwa akode wo san akokara ama sika akone man niwa o man sika ni
okay
o man ben
e ho ne be hu se bi a ya Ghana ni frafo ni mpanifo mo ankasa de nubna ni tan ye duro no omo se sanse mo so se no be sia so afa ye ni mpanifo betena se di nkomo wo sanse na mi adno chena wo dwumadi eso e wo ye asantema deru eso ha na brema kwan ama asantema deru dwumadi no ade fa ye asantema TV so ebro no ye beje bre na ni nyina enso asi e wo ene enso sessional ye betena so e wo ho no ye nsa bi na de kan ye betumi akoso gya wonsem egu ye comment na wo je egu ase ba ye bekenkan nyina enso ere ma na ebre no continue yentimi enkenkan manfo comment no ebi emfa emamo asida PC mo pe asida da so de trasia ere tumonim no asida ebema eye yankasa the programs manager Mr. K Starboy so no ankasa ebo modern eboy emadmedi enso itimi ebe so so ana cameraman so eye Hope ana for device so ebo modern ejina camera no enso echi edema so na operations Mr. Edwin Okran enso eka bi ana eboy emadmedi enso nyina ebaye na ye mbedwafo a dade dam transe no mudi eye nkomo edi eye nsem no brem no eye akra kwaku bafo nkokrafo nyina ahene de pania ene eye afen so eye the prophet deacon amansan so for kwasi poku ono so ebaye na me a metina eye adwam edi dwumadi ho chiame edema wo edi abdi so ene oman chiame owa ahene champion bema baye dem nyina ase se munya bre esinkonya ehwe dwumadi
Asante Mine TV, the nation's pride.